Learn Phonics for Beginners. Reader 2. Words with vowels and consonant-ending sounds. Let's read. At, bat, cat, rat, let's read. A bat and a cat. A cat and a rat. Let's read. An, fan, man, van, let's read. A man and a van. A fan in a van. Let's read. Am, jam, ram, yam. Let's read. A ram and a yam. Jam on the yam. Let's read. Egg, bag, rag, tag. Let's read. A rag in the bag. A tag on the bag. Let's read. App, cap, lap, tap. Let's read. A cap on the lap. A cap on the tap. Revision. Match the pictures with the same ending sounds. Man, fan, cat, bat, bag, tag, cap, lap, jam, ram. Let's read. At, jet, net, vet, let's read. A vet with a net. A vet in a jet. Let's read. N, hen, pen, 10. Let's read. 10 hens. 10 hens in a pen. Let's read. Egg, leg, keg, peg, let's read. A peg on a leg. A peg on a keg. Let's read. In, bin, pin, tin, let's read. A pin in the bin. A pin in the tin. Revision. Circle the words with the same ending sounds. 10, pen, peg, keg, rag, bag, tin, pin, jet, vet. Let's read. Ought, cot, dot, pot, let's read. A pot in a cot. A dot on the pot. Let's read. Og, dog, jog, log, let's read. A dog on a log. A dog out on a jog. Let's read. Up, hop, mop, top, let's read. A mop and a top. A hop over the top. Let's read. Ub, cub, rub, tub, let's read. Rub the cub. Cub in the tub. Let's read. Ugh, bug, mug, rug. Let's read. A bug on the rug. A bug in a mug. Revision. Say the name of each picture. Color the correct words. Cub, jog, mop, bug, pot.